In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Webflow code and host it online. By the end, you'll know where to find the right guidance, how to export your site's files, what's included and what's not, and how to preview and move those files onto the web. Start by opening your browser and searching for how to export Webflow code and host it online. From the results, open the official Webflow article titled Exporting Webflow Code. This is the most reliable reference for how the feature works today. If the page hides extra details, click Show More to expand the full guidance, then navigate to the section labeled Step 1, Exporting Code from Webflow. That section outlines the process and requirements in one place. Here's the key point from that page. Exporting code requires a paid workspace plan. If your workspace is on a free tier, the Export Code button won't be available. With the right plan active, open your project in the Webflow Designer and look to the top right corner for the Export Code button. Click it to generate a zip file containing your site's HTML pages, the CSS, JavaScript, and all referenced images and assets. When the download finishes, unzip the file on your computer. Keep the folder structure intact. Don't rename or move things arbitrarily, so that file paths to styles, scripts, and images remain valid. If you need to make edits, you can open the HTML files in a code editor, but keep an eye on relative links to avoid broken assets. One important limitation: exported code is static. CMS collection pages and dynamic content do not come along for the ride when you host outside of Webflow. If your project relies heavily on CMS, consider a specialized adapter. Tools like Udesly can help translate a Webflow design into a WordPress or Jamstack setup, where a separate CMS or static site workflow powers your content. This is especially helpful when you want the visual control of Webflow but need a fully functional external CMS. Before you move to external hosting, it's smart to preview your site live on Webflow's staging domain. In the designer, click Publish, open Advanced Publishing Options, then choose Publish to selected domains. This pushes a temporary version live so you can sanity check layout, assets, and interactions. When you're ready to host online outside Webflow, upload the unzipped files to your server or a static host of your choice, making sure index.html sits at the root. After upload, test key pages